Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianamccalip, and we're here with another hair slay. I've been killing these laces, and they don't call me Lace Slayer Bree for nothing. These laces is fat. Like, I've been killing it, and it just looks so good. Look blended, everything looks intact, and it just looks so pretty. But overall, I love the curls on this hair. When you wet this hair, curls just be soak it up and it just be so beautiful. But you have to get something to keep the curls. Once you wet it, you need to get a product like a cream curler to keep those curls locked, so you don't have to keep wetting it, and so that it won't get as poofy as it do. This hair is thin, but that's fine because sometimes people don't like thick hair. I can see this like on vacation. I can see these vacation vibes. I always see these type of wigs as vacation vibes because it's so low maintenance. All you gotta do is put water in it, curl cream, and you out the door. This hair is featuring Junoda wigs. I'll leave the links to this wig in the description bar below, and also their site in the description bar below. I want to show y'all exactly what I do to achieve this hairstyle. And yeah, if y'all want to see this wig and how I style it, then please keep on watching.
Brianamccalip, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Brianamccalip, the go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Brianamccalip.
Hi guys, so we have a sponsored video featuring Junoda or Junoda hair, because I think the J is silent. I don't know. But let me show y'all what's inside the box. What came in the box when they sent the hair to me. So inside the box you get a bag full of surprises. You get lashes, a hair wrap. So they sent that, and I didn't use the hair wrap today, but they also sent the wig cap, a edge brush, and a manual to show you how to properly care for your wig. Now let's get into the wig. Alright y'all, so this is a curly wig, and all you have to do is basically bleach and pluck this wig and you're ready to go. But if you're someone who just likes to apply the wig outside the box, then you can go ahead and do so. But this is a closure. Look at that lace. It's bomb, y'all. And when this hair is wet, it's wet, because I did go ahead and bleach this hair off camera. This is their 5x5 water wave lace wig. Let's get into that lace, y'all. Y'all gonna see it now, and then I did go ahead and bleach and pluck. Well, I didn't pluck yet, but I did go ahead and bleach this wig off camera. And I'm just hot combing it back just to see like what plucking method do I want to do to this, like how I want to structure this wig. Just looking at everything. Now, I was going to pluck it on camera right here, but I stopped because I'm like, I can't position the camera so where y'all can see how I'm plucking this. So you're going to see it plucked, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. That was fast. So yeah, it's plucked, y'all, and this is how it looks. Don't mind the wig looking like this, because I'm gonna do the air contain method again. I am just basically taking my wax stick and I am smoothing the edges back, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb again. Y'all, this hot comb is going to be coming soon to Be Fierce Beauty. Be Fierce Beauty haven't launched yet, but just be on the lookout on it. And y'all get excited. It's just the waiting game. That's all. Just the waiting game. I'm just smoothing everything down so that everything can be flat. So when I apply this wig, everything is bomb. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically describe what I'm doing. I'm just showing y'all how it look. I am super excited about how this came out. Y'all know I'm still doing like the air contain method. I didn't pluck it on camera because I couldn't show y'all, and if I was to pluck, I would have to put it in a position. I already got my camera set up in a certain way, so I didn't do that. This wig is really low maintenance, and I love the curl texture on this wig, y'all. Look at this. Well, let me show y'all. Let me take it off of here because y'all can't see. But look at this curl texture. When this gets really wet, it's so pretty and so wavy, y'all. Y'all see that? But yeah, I did that with this. I've been snapping on the wigs. So I'm gonna add 10 deep sand. more defined too, instead of just spraying it with Alright, so I'm just using my Curl Raw hair dye, and I am making that part smaller. As y'all can see, when I did pluck it, the part was kind of wide. So this is bomb. I love this method, and like I said, I will forever use it. It just looks really good. Don't mind my bald head, y'all. It's all in the camera. Y'all see that part? I need to do the back because the back is cool. Y'all see that? Back to the video. So right here, what I'm doing is I am taking my high hold spray from Gatsby, and I am gluing down this cap, y'all. The same cap method that everybody uses to apply their wig. Well, before applying their wig, I did go ahead and set under the dryer as well after I applied 2 coats of this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and I'm going to take the excess lace off to get ready for this wig to be applied. But first, let me see how this wig looks. It's looking kind of ooh. It's looking kind of ooh child, but it's okay. Look, wigs is processes, so it's just anything is a process. Like makeup is a process, wigs, all that. So you just gotta wait to see the final look. So I did go ahead and I took off the tips of the closure because you don't want that there. And then I did go ahead and apply some foundation on the lace part. Now right here, just taking the excess cap off to get ready to apply this lace. Now, one tip that I want to give is when you do put your wig back on your head, closure is kind of difficult for me because it's not a whole ear to ear tab. So I like to mark my markings before I start applying the glue, so I know where to stop at. So when I put it on my head, I like mark it just in case I don't go so far, because you don't want to put it on the track area. You want to put it right at that lace part. And then I went ahead and just applied some Erica J glue and the smell watermelon. I love this smell, the smell of the glue, and I love the glue because with any lace, this glue lays your hair down like a dream. And I'm gonna get big too. So after the glue dries clear, I slide the lace down directly onto the hairline, onto the glue, but at the very tip of where the hairline begins. I'm always saying it. I feel like I got these bracelets. Feel like it's making me sound like I got something in my mouth, and I do got something in my mouth, but it just seemed like it's hard for me to talk. So, I should have used a razor, but I just used scissors, and then go in a zigzag motion. But the lace did melt to me. It melted, and y'all already know I'm gonna put my baby hairs. Y'all know I'm gonna put my baby hairs, because I love baby hairs. Baby hairs just make the wig. So y'all, look at how it melts. Look at that lace. Look at how it melts. Look at that lace. Look at how it melts. Period. And this lace, I think it's transparent. I don't think it's like any HD lace or anything like that. I think it's transparent lace. It's so crazy because there's so many laces out there that you can choose from. But yeah, don't forget to go check out Junoda hair in the description right below. And right now we're just doing the baby hairs. I'm just basically parting out each section on each from on my left and right side, and I'm just trying to figure out what kind of baby hairs that I wanted to do. I'm not doing them, obviously. My mom's gonna do them. I can do the baby hairs, but I just feel like my mom be slaying them, so she's like, can you do them? And I'm also plucking the the right side of my hair because it had more hair than the left, and I don't want thick baby hairs. And that's something I struggled with back in the day when I started getting hair from companies, is I didn't really pluck. I just put the wig right on, so the wig would look wiggy, and I didn't like that. So I'm zoomed all in, and we're doing 3 sections of baby hair. So this is the first in the middle, and she's just basically taking a gel, putting it on the hair, and swooping it with a comb. It's best to use a rack tail comb like this with the pointy tip, because it just smooths the baby hairs out better. And she using her finger too to kind of smooth the baby hairs down so they can lay flat. Just look at what she's doing. I'm telling y'all, y'all will get it if y'all don't know how to do baby hairs. But if y'all do, good. Because I'm looking. I'm studying right now, trying to see. So this is it, y'all. This is just basically me laying the wig down. My mom doing the baby hairs. She did high comb it because I like how it sticks up in the front. I don't like my hair flat. I like a little hump, you know. I love a hump in the front. And I'm just gonna take my water and I want to spray this hair down. And I love this because it's so low maintenance. You can take this on a trip. You can do all kinds of things with curly hair that you could just wet and go out the door. And for the curls to stick, just get you a cream based curler cream and put it on your hair. So therefore the curls will revert back to a bigger poofy the way that this already is. You don't want it to convert back to that. So just make sure you use a cream curler, so that, not a curler, but a cream product, so that the curls can stay as is. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Don't forget to go check out Junoda here in the description bar below, and everything will be down there. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed this hairstyle. I be wanting to do hair and makeup together, but I have to do hair videos. But let me know in the comment section below if y'all want like me to do hair and makeup together, because I love to do those type of videos. Once again, don't forget to go check out Junoda here in the description right below. I will leave all links to their social media, all their sites down there, and also the links to this wig. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next video.